Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about neuromuscular junction in skeletal muscle. This is how neuromuscular junction in skeletal muscle look. Let's go through structure of the neuromuscular junction. Terminal button. Fine branches of axon that end in small swelling called terminal buttons. This is presynaptic membrane. It is the axonal membrane lining the terminal buttons of the nerve endings. These are calcium channels on nerve terminal. Mitochondria are present in nerve terminal. The acetylcholine synthesized in mitochondria and its store in vesicles. This is postsynaptic membrane. The muscle membrane in the region is thickened and depressed to form the synaptic trough in which the terminal button fits. It is also called motor endplate. On each endplate only nerve fiber end. Further, the postsynaptic membrane is thrown into a large number of folds called subneural cleft or palisades. These increase surface area. The postsynaptic membrane near the junction folds contain receptor sites for acetylcholine called the nicotinic acetylcholine receptors. Synaptic cleft. It is a 50 to 100 nanometer wide space between the presynaptic membrane and postsynaptic membrane. Synaptic cleft is filled by extracellular fluid with reticular fiber forming the matrix. Let's understand the sequence of events during neuromuscular transmission. When nerve impulse or action potential traveling in the nerve fiber reaches the terminal buttons, the voltage-gated calcium channel present on presynaptic membrane open up, increase a permeability to calcium ions presence into extracellular matrix of synaptic cleft enter the terminal buttons. It causes fusion of vesicles containing acetylcholine with the presynaptic membrane and release of acetylcholine by exocytosis. The released acetylcholine diffuses in the synaptic cleft and it binds to the nicotinic acetylcholine receptors located at motor end plate. It increases permeability to sodium at motor end plate, and produces end plate potential. When end plate potential reaches to -60 mV, it triggers the development of action potential in the muscle fiber, which causes muscle contraction. Most of acetylcholine is destroyed by acetylcholinesterase in synaptic cleft. Once action potential is over, coated pit appear in the terminal nerve membrane caused by contractile protein in the nerve endings, specially clathrin. It breaks and forms vesicles. Like the video, share and subscribe for more videos like this.